Welcome back to Bonner's Crafts. Today's project is this gorgeous delicate choker, super easy and perfect for beginners. For this more delicate sample, I used a lace yarn and a 0.95mm hook. And for the tutorial, I'm using a superfine yarn and a 1.5mm hook. We also need some beads for this necklace. Tie a simple knot, chain 4. In the first chain, work 1 quadruple treble crochet. Chain 1. Around this strand, work 10 single crochets. Turn the work, chain 1, skip 1 stitch. In each of the next 5 stitches, work 1 single crochet. Don't forget to like this video if you're enjoying this tutorial so far. Yarn over 5 times. Slide a bead onto the hook. Then insert the hook into the stitch. Yarn over once more and pull up a loop through the stitch and the bead. This gives you 7 loops on the hook. Then yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Repeating that step 5 more times until just 1 loop remains. Chain 1. Around this strand, work 10 single crochets. Turn the work, chain 1, skip 1 stitch. In each of the next 5 stitches, work 1 single crochet. And 1 quadruple treble crochet. And that's it. By repeating these 2 steps, you can have a beautiful beaded choker or necklace. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and hit subscribe. Have a great day.